sit down. Sit down. Sit. There are a You sit down. What are you doing? Now see. Now, Mr. Swami, please listen to me. Now, please listen to me. You please listen to me. The question is this. See. You come on.
You want me to
All
say?
right, you people come. See, Mr. Swami, the question is this. See, you are saying that you are quoting from the same letter as Sri Ghulam Nabi Asas the other day.
The name,
let me say, if at that time, somebody has raised objection, I would have certainly intervened. I would have certainly asked to authenticate it. Listen, at that time, nobody intervened, nobody asked, so I could not do. Now, I cannot act retrospectively and say that yesterday you should do that. That cannot be done. Now, please, but now, please, you can't do it. Now, the question is, you read some letter, you quoted, you said it is from such and such letter. Now, see, then the issue was raised here in the house itself that as per the rule, if a member, that is the rule of the rule book, it is there. As per the procedure, as per the rule, if a member is quoted from a letter or from any document, and if it is raised, he has to, if the chair asks, he has to authenticate and place it on the table of the house. You cannot, Subramanian Swami, you listen, you cannot hide under the pretext that yesterday it was not done. That is yesterday, if it was, no, let me complete. Yes, if yesterday, no, let me complete. Please, if yesterday it was raised, I would have certainly intervened. Now it is raised, I have to intervene and enforce the rule. So you authenticate and place.
You agree?
Are you agreeing?
I quoted from the judgment and Singhi quoted from the judgment.
Are you agreeing?
Not ask
Are
me
you
to
agreeing?
authenticate.
No. Are you agreeing? Otherwise, I will not allow you.
Can't we have an orderly debate?
Subramanian Swami.
Chairman, sir, please.
Yeah,
1 minute.
please.
Please.
That is not the issue. Leave it.
Please.
That is not the issue, Baba.
No, we can have an orderly debate.
Why are you trying to
You
control?
can argue also.
That is not the issue.
You can argue. You can argue also.
That is not the
Let
issue.
there be orderly debate. Let him complete.
Two things. No, you can speak. There are two things. When the other day I quoted something, number one, nobody took any
That I already
objection.
told.
No. Another thing, sir, you missed out another thing. The honorable of the leader of the house, Mr. Arun Jaitley, was present. He very respectfully, honorably got up and replied to me, to my query, whatever I have said. So he didn't make an objection. Had he any objection, he would have not got up and replied to my query or question. That was closed. Number two, whatever honorable minister, our member has said, he is ready to authenticate. So similarly, let him authenticate.
If he authenticates, I will authenticate.
No.
Sir, I'm going to read. I'm not saying Tapanji.
I have given the ruling.
Tapanji.
Either he or he.
Yes, I have given the ruling.
After the ruling is given.
I have given the ruling.
I agree, sir. Once the chair has given a ruling, there cannot be any further commentary. What I am submitting as a Minister of Parliamentary Affairs is members who have quoted from other texts today, not that day. My honorable friend Sri Abhishek Singh Manu has quoted something, and Swami has quoted something. Your chair's ruling applies to both.
Yes. Oh yes. No. Now only now you raised, it applies to him also. No problem. Yeah. Please. Yeah. Now
conclude now.
Now see, listen. If only you authenticate and place here, I allow you. Otherwise, you cannot speak. That is my ruling. You do that. You agree to that? Both. Yes.
If you do this.
Both.
Yes.
Both. Are you agreeing?
Agree to what?
Are you agreeing?
Agree to what?
Eh?
Agree to what?
Authenticate and place on the table. Authenticate and place on the table.
Huh?
Authenticate. See,
If he authenticates, I'll authenticate.
yeah, he is doing it. He is doing it. Now listen. Now please listen.
Yes.
What I said is,
Authenticate.
number one, you read from a document. You have to. Can you hear me?
I
Can you hear?
you now.
Yeah, you use the mic if you can't hear.
I don't need the
You
mic.
can hear. Now please, number one.
Tell them to keep
Now
quiet
please,
and hear
number
you.
one, you have to say what document you have quoted. Number two, you have to authenticate it. Number three, place on the table. That he is doing, you have also to do.
I will authenticate. There's
And
no
place on
question.
the table.
I will not. I will authenticate because I'll give the whole judgment so that I can quote it in future.
Eh?
He's only giving one page.
Yeah.
He's authenticate. He's just writing.
Yeah,
down
do
it
that, do
I
that.
hereby authenticate. That's not authenticate.
Yeah, you do that. That's enough.
That's enough.
That is
I will
enough.
write on. I will write saying that yes. I
Okay, do that.
authenticate. That I will
Authenticate and place.
I will write
Do that.
All right. I will now conclude.
Yeah,
And then I will go down there and authenticate.
yeah. Yeah, yeah. If you don't authenticate, whatever you say after this will be expunged.
You cannot go out of the rules, let me say.
Yeah. Do that.
Okay, I will say, I have already told you I am going
Yeah,
to
do that,
authenticate.
do that,
You
do
don't
that.
have to tell me.
Do that. Do that.
First, let me complete, then I will tell you.
Okay.
I'll come down there and authenticate.
Yeah, do that.
Okay. All-
Do that. No, please, now nothing more. Sit down. No, it's over. It's over, sit down. It is over, sit
Why is he
down.
standing up? Why is he
It is
standing
over,
up?
sit down. You please. Yeah.
Now, I will conclude.
Yes. Sit down. Now, please.
So, sir, concluding, I had given a copy of an agreement to you, I mean to the Secretary General who must have given it to you, where Mr. Christian Michel was given 6 million euros to manage the media in India in favor of the deal.
Please.
समझने बिना
Please
बोलिए
listen.
मत।
Yeah.
Now, there, I wanted the government to go into this question as to who those journalists or newspapers are, which have been consistently writing disinformation about those who oppose the deal and then praise the deal. Those are easy to see. Those articles are available in print. And therefore, the visual media. This is a very important part of the corruption in our country, that the public is misled by false news that keeps coming. This is called paid news, and there is a standing committee report which was placed in this house which gives a great detail of it, and the press council has also been worried. This is also a cancer part of the corruption in the country, and therefore I would like the government to go into this matter, and now I will authenticate.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now, Sri Anand Sharma.
आदरणीय उपसभापति महोदय, सदन के अंदर आज इस विषय को लेकर चर्चा चल रही है। ये विषय पिछले कुछ दिनों से देश में मीडिया में चर्चा का विषय रहा है। जाहिर है सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ से श्री भूपेंद्र यादव ने अपनी बात आरंभ करते हुए कुछ बातें कही और विपक्ष की तरफ से मेरे साथी अभिषेक सिंघवी ने, हमारे पक्ष की और अन्य नेताओं ने, शरद जी ने, रामगोपाल जी ने, मायावती जी, तपन, इन्होंने सबने अपनी बात रखी। सदन में मैं बड़ी जिम्मेवारी से ये बात कहता हूं और बड़े दुख के साथ कि जो हो रहा है पिछले कुछ दिनों से बाहर और आज हमने सदन में देखा, वो एक ऐसा मिथ्या प्रचार हो रहा है, एक ऐसा प्रचार जो केवल राजनीतिक प्रतिशोध नहीं है, पर लोगों को गुमराह करने का, नाम बदनाम करने का और अपनी नाकामयाबियों से, अपनी कारगुजारियों से लोगों का ध्यान हटाने का। यह सही है कि विषय ऐसा है जिस पे चर्चा होनी चाहिए, इसीलिए मेरे दल ने स्वीकार किया। जब इस तरफ से नोटिस आया, हमने कहा हम चर्चा करेंगे। माननीय सभापति महोदय, हम सब जानते हैं कि रक्षा के लिए जो सामग्री ली जाती है, जो डिफेंस एक्विजिशन प्रोसेस है, वो पेचीदा है, कॉम्प्लेक्स है, उसमें समय लगता है, बरसों लगते हैं, सरकारें बदलती हैं, तब कहीं जाके जो हमारी सशस्त्र सेनाओं की आवश्यकताएं हैं, चाहे वो सेना है, थल सेना है, वायु सेना है, नौसेना है, उसकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, उसकी जो आवश्यकताएं हैं, वो पूरी की जाती हैं। अगर हर विषय को जैसा कहा गया यहाँ पे हम उंगली उठाएं, हर खरीद पर आरोप लगाएं, तो ये सिलसिला, ये कड़ी दशकों से चल रही है, ये कभी रुकेगी नहीं। बुनियाद पर आधारित बात होनी चाहिए जो सच की और कानून की कसौटी पर खरी उतरे। हमने जो आज देखा है और जो सुना है, आई हैव नो हेसिटेशन टू से इट इज द ट्रेवर्सिटी ऑफ ट्रुथ, it is distortion, it's a web of deception that has been woven here, and not only that, in a very irresponsible manner, the reputations of many in the previous government, in our government, has been questioned.
No, please, let him.
मुझे मालूम था कि झूठ के पांव नहीं होते, ये पुरानी कहावत है, अभी सदन भी देख रहा है। हमने बोलना शुरू किया तो पांव दूसरी तरफ चले गए। उम्मीद रखता हूं कि वापस आएंगे, बात सुनेंगे। आप संयम रखिए ना भैया, अभी आपको भी पता लगेगा।
No, please.
ये तोहफा जो आप लाए हैं, आपको भी पता लगेगा।
No, please listen. Please listen.
क्योंकि
सुनिए।
उपसभापति महोदय, मैं पहले एक चीज आपको कह दूं, आपके माध्यम से मेरे मित्रों को, जब हम सुनते हैं, आप भी सुने, पर कुछ नए जोश में हैं, उन्हें यह चीज मालूम नहीं है कि जो तोहफा पेश किया है, उन्होंने इनके सबसे वरिष्ठ नेता माननीय अटल जी को, जो आरएसएस के, आप सब बैठे हैं, आरएसएस के बारे में कितनी आरती उतारी है। थोड़े दिन चुप रहिए, ये तोप कहां मुड़ेगी, फिर मैं आपसे पूछूंगा। ये मैं आपसे प्रश्न करूंगा, आप में से कितने लोगों के दिल में लड्डू फूट रहे हैं और कितने लोग चिंता में हैं, क्योंकि ये तोहफा ही ऐसा नायाब है। माननीय सभापति महोदय, इस सदन के एक मनोनीत सदस्य जो अब कहीं निवृत्त होकर वापस लौट गए, इन्होंने कुछ बातें कही हैं सदन के अंदर, जवाब देना आवश्यक है। इन्होंने 3 बातें कही: एडमिटेड फैक्ट्स, सेकंड व्हाट इज क्रिमिनलिटी, थर्ड हाउ टू प्रोसीड इन दिस ऑर्डर। फैक्ट्स में कहा गया कंट्रोलर ऑडिटर जनरल की रिपोर्ट, मैं उस पर कोई बहस नहीं चाहता। संसद के प्रश्नों के उत्तर, वो दोनों सदनों का रिकॉर्ड है। एक कोर्ट की जजमेंट, इटली की कोर्ट का जजमेंट का हवाला, ये इन्होंने तीसरी बात रखी। मैंने इसीलिए ये मांग की थी, ये भारत की संसद है, वी आर अ सॉवरेन नेशन, द रिपब्लिक ऑफ इंडिया, अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डेमोक्रेसी, वी हैव आवर ओन लॉज एंड आवर ओन प्रोसेसेस, देयरफॉर what has been referred to must first be authenticated by the government, put here, scrutinized legally, so that the canons of natural justice are not flouted